Hi there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 18. Today we're going to talk about why video is the best. Why you want to start with video, right? Why is that? Well, the main reason, the biggest reason is that you can transform video into more content. You can essentially multiply your content if you start from video, okay? So here's what I mean. So if we start off and we record a video, we've got our video done, and we could upload that and have our single lead magnet, right? So what we want to do instead is we want to take our video, and what we're also going to do is extract the audio from it, right? And it's really simple. In something like Camtasia, you go and just tell it to export the audio only. So now we've got a video and we've got the audio from it, right? So now we've got two pieces of content. Now what we want to do is take that audio and we want to send it away to a service that will transcribe that audio and turn it into text, right? So they do that, it gets back to us, and we want to take that text. We don't even want to mess with it. We just want to take that text, send it over to Fiverr, and get that turned into a free report. So now we've turned the audio, we've got it transcribed, we've got it edited and cleaned up and turned into a free report. Now that free report, once we get that edited and back into our hands, we can take that free report, chop it down into the absolute bare bones, and turn that into a 1 or 2 page cheat sheet, right? So you see what we did there? Now, I know it seems like a lot, but let's just look at what we did. So we took one video. Instead of just having one video, we turned that video into a video, an MP3, right, because we extracted the audio, a free report, because we got our transcribed audio cleaned up and turned into a free report from Fiverr, and we've also got a cheat sheet, because we took the free report, chopped it down, and turned that into just a 1 or 2 page cheat sheet, right? So instead of one piece of content, we wound up with 4 pieces of content. We multiplied it 4 times. Now, here's the best part, is if you're creative, it doesn't even stop there, right? We can take our free report. What if we take that, take pieces out of it, and turn that into an email series, load that up into our autoresponder? So now we don't have to sit and try and come up with email messages to send out to people because we've already got it from our free report. Now, what if we took our cheat sheet and we were able to turn that into a blog post or blog posts, or we were able to take the free report and turn that into blog posts, right? So once you start doing this, you see there's lots of different ways that you can increase, multiply content, use it in other areas of your business, because that's the point, is to maximize your efficiency here and not just do everything by hand everywhere you go. So multiplying content, this lesson here should be a big one for you. This is why I always start with video, but there's lots of ways to take this formula and kind of manipulate it and multiply content different ways. But for me personally, I find video to be the best. Lets me start with the highest order there and make lots of different content just from the videos there. So that's it for today here. So all you need to do, if you've got some type of video software you've tried out and you're using right now, this is what I want you to try and do. Just record a quick video and then go ahead and play around with the settings and extract the audio from it. So now you've got a video and an audio. If you want to send it away, I'll put a link to my transcription service. For Fiverr, all I did was just type in the search that I wanted someone to edit a transcription for me, and then once I got that back, I was able to make my own cheat sheet out of the free report. Okay, so this is a formula that I use all the time. I want you to give it a go. That's your homework for today. Watch this video again if you need to process everything and understand it all, but go and start multiplying your content. And I will see you in the next video.